Press and hold the power button to turn the machine off. Unplug the power cord. Open the back cover. Be careful. The fusers could be very hot. Wait some minutes for the machine to cool down. If present, remove the orange packaging. It is not necessary to reinstall them. Holding the handles on both sides, squeeze the gray levers on the fuser unit and pull downward. Remove the fuser unit from the machine. These are the gray levers. Push the new fuser unit firmly into the machine. Be sure to insert the fuser unit completely into the machine. Close the back cover. Press and hold the toner symbol for about 5 seconds. It is this symbol. Press fuser. Obviously, it depends on what language do you have. Press yes. The counter has been reset.